So today I have a question for you. And that question is, what's log base 2 of 8? Now if you don't know what a log is, this might not make any sense. In that case, I'm going to ask you another question. I'm going to ask you, once I get my marker to work, 2 raised to what power is equal to 8? Alright, now this should be an easier question, because you're going to think to yourself, alright, let's see here, 2 to the first power, that's 2, 2 to the second power, that's 4, 2 to the third power, is equal to 8. Alright, so the answer has to be 3 then. Right? 2 raised to the third power is equal to 8. So that means log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. When I say log base 2 of 8, I'm really asking you this question, right? 2 raised to what power is equal to 8? You're going to say 3. 2 raised to the third power is equal to 8. So that must mean log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Alright, so that was easy. Let's see, let's try another question. Log base 3 of 9, right? So when I ask you this question, log base 3 of 9, I'm really asking you 3 raised to what power is equal to 9? And then you think, you're like, alright, 3 to the first power is 3, 3 to the second power, 3 squared, 3 to the second power is 9. Alright, so then you say log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2, because 3 raised to the second power is equal to 9. Alright, let's see here, let's do one more. Oh, let's do a few more actually. Let's try log base 4 of 1/4. Alright, now same deal. When I ask you log base 4 of 1/4, what is that? I'm really asking you 4 raised to what power is equal to 1/4. Right, so this is a little trickier and it needs negative exponents. So you think, alright, for the 4 to the first power, that's 4. 4 squared. Okay, we're going up. We should be trying lower exponents. Let's see here. 4 to the 0th, that's 1. 4 to the negative first power, that's 1 over 4 to the first, that's 1/4, right? So our answer is -1. 4 to the negative first power is 1/4. Log base 4 of 1/4 is equal to -1. Alright, let's see here. Let's try another one. Log base, let's see here, 25 of 5. Alright, this is even harder. So once again, I'm really asking the same thing. 25th raised to, to the power of what is equal to 5, right? So you think, well, first you notice the relationship. You see that the square root of 25 is equal to 5. You know that square roots mean to the raised to the power of 1/2. Roots mean fractional powers. So then you say, all right, 25 to the 1/2, if that's a word, 1/2 power is equal to 5, right? Because the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So log base 25 of 5 is equal to 1/2. Let's see here. Now we'll try one more. So let's see here. I'm going to make up a number this time. Log base e of e to the 12th. Now, if you know what e is, and you know significance and all that, then good for you. But if you don't know what e is, we'll just say it's a number for now. Just a random number. I made it up. Alright. So log base e, a number, right? Log base e of e to the 12th. So what we're really asking is e raised to what power is equal to e to the 12th. So you might be looking at this and you're probably thinking, let's see, e raised to what power is equal to e to the 12th? I don't know, maybe 12. E to the 12th seems to be equal to e to the 12th, right? So the answer is 12. So if you notice, I had log of a base, and then I had my base. Again, I have log of a base, and the base showed up again in my argument, right? So essentially it canceled out and only and just returned my exponent, right? So when I have a base here and a base and the same base here, the log and the actual exponent, they cancel out and they just give what's on top. So the answer is just what's on top. That's our first log property. And so far this is a basic introduction to logs. Hopefully it helped. You'll see logs really aren't that complicated as some math teachers make it seem. So yeah, so the basic introduction to logs. Stay tuned for more videos on log properties and other cool stuff.